As the world moves to an electric future, everything from cars to planes are joining the ride. And motorcycles are no exception, with even legendary brands making the switch to join the next generation of electric two-wheelers. Welcome to Technality. I'm Alex Melky, and today we're exploring the 5 most futuristic electric motorcycles in the world. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode of Technality. Who would have imagined that when Harley-Davidson opened its doors in 1903, it would still be creating some of the world's most iconic motorcycles over 100 years later? Their bike's instantly recognizable design has been nothing short of cool for as long as it's been around. And now, it's getting a 21st century upgrade. With a powerful, rechargeable electric motor at its core, the Harley-Davidson Livewire can generate 100% torque instantly. One of the biggest complaints against electric vehicles is that they lack the thrill of their combustion counterparts. But the American company has somehow managed to pack a whole lot of thrust in just 105 horses. Being the first fully electric bike produced by a major manufacturer, the Livewire is a pretty big deal, bringing an aging brand into the future with a model that will define what an electric motorcycle can do. As Harley-Davidson proves, there are loads of benefits to using an electrical engine over a combustion one. For one thing, it's great for the environment, but it also means you get to add tons of futuristic onboard systems. This is the Arc Vector, one of, if not the most high-tech motorcycles in the world. And believe me when I say that it's got just as much going on inside as it does on the outside. Just below a stunning, minimalist body that was handcrafted in Britain sits an advanced computer system unlike anything you're likely to see on the road. The Vector analyzes everything from car distance to G-force to nearby dangers that the rider should know about. It then sends all that data to the driver through what the Arc calls a human-machine interface, projecting a heads-up display on the rider's helmet, as well as feeding information through a wearable motorcycle suit. Hard to tell where the bike ends and the rider begins. We've seen that Arc is willing to push the envelope as far as design is concerned, but even the Vector doesn't come close to the Yohammer J1200. Looking like a cross between a cuttlefish and a flying saucer, this bizarre take on an electric motorcycle is one of the most unique looking vehicles you'll see on the road. Rolling out of Austria, the Yohammer J1200 has a bit more sizzle than steak, hitting a very modest top speed of 75 miles per hour. But what it lacks in speed, it more than makes up for in style. There's no dash, at least not in the traditional sense. Instead, all the motorcycle's data is fed through displays in each of the mirrors. The Yohammer may not be giving Tesla any trouble on the electric vehicle side of things anytime soon, but it's definitely going to set a few trends in the EV cycle world. While the Austrians are embracing the freedom of designing an electric vehicle for the future, a little company out of Brooklyn is paying homage to the motorcycles of America's past. The Tarform Luna is the latest two-wheel cafe racer. Designed to be the change it wants to see in the world, this retro-futuristic cycle is made up of flax fibers, recycled aluminum, and biodegradable leather. An HD display and Bluetooth tech connectivity is all built in for a smarter ride up to 120 miles per hour. The engineers at Tarform have also concocted something special under the hood here. A specially designed acoustic resonator amplifies the sound of the electric motor, giving it a sound signature unique to the Luna. Sleek designs and eco-friendly materials go a long way, but at the end of the day, motorcycles are all about one thing: speed. No electric motorcycle comes close to the Voxen Wattman. Rocking a hefty 283 miles per hour, this is the fastest electric motorcycle on the planet, with over 20 speed records to prove it. The French company refocused its sights on an electric future back in 2010. The Wattman ushered in a new form of engineered architecture. Instead of a frame, it has a rigid aluminum exoskeleton that integrates all of the powertrain components towards the battery pack at the center. The unique design speaks for itself, taking heavy inspiration from the light cycles as they appeared in the iconic sci-fi film Tron. There really isn't anything in the world that can match the speed or look of the Voxen Wattman. From Europe to the United States, electric motorcycles are quickly becoming the newest, hottest trend, each bringing in its own brand of fun to the table. Some opting for a futuristic design, others going for efficiency and speed, and the Voxen Wattman going for both. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the future.